Hey, so today is Boatnik in Grants Pass. If you remember correctly, last year at Boatnik, I crashed my drone. That totally sucked. I was not pleased. I'm going to do my best not to crash my drone again this year, but it's the boat races and me and my radio station, along with Amy Lee, who you'll see later. We are hosting the Papa John's pizza eating contest. Should be fun. We'll see how that goes. Come along, won't you? Hey.
Hey.
Look, it's Amy Lee.
It's JP.
Where's Sawyer? All right, so we just got to the studio and we are on our way to Boatnik 2019, where her and I are hosting the pizza eating contest from Papa John's.
Papa John's pizza eating.
And again, I must reiterate, I am not going to crash my drone this year.
We hope. Wait, do you have it?
I do.
Oh.
We'll see you there.
See ya.
You don't want to be in the vlog.
Well, now I have no choice. I have no choice.
These are the lovely ladies of Human Being.
Hi!
All right, we have arrived at Boatnik. We're getting set up for the pizza eating contest, which is right over there on this big stage. I'm with my boy. Where's my boy at? And what? Zip line?
Yeah,
Why do you always ask for everything?
because I like everything.
Why? What?
Because I like
Here.
everything.
Guess what?
What?
We've got the Wild Road Pro Rodeo court here. The
Oh.
royalty court.
Introduce them, Amy
I
Lee.
will do that for you. This is Princess Madison. Hi. Or Maddie, we like to call her. Queen Kendra.
Queen Kendra.
Queen Kendra. And then Princess DJ.
Hi. All right.
These
Sweet.
beautiful ladies. We're trying to convince them to do the pizza eating contest.
You should totally do the pizza eating contest. No?
Can we use our hands?
No
You can't use your hands. But you can. Here's an insider tip. You can use the box that the slice is on and lift it to your face.
Oh, well, that's like cheating, but okay.
There you have it.
There you go.
Three, two, one, go!
Go, go! Remember to chew, chew, chew.
Help swallow, use the water if you need to.
You got it, you got it.
2 minutes to go.
3, 2, 1, go! Woo! 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 You got this! Go, 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 go! Hurry, 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 hurry! Woo! Go, 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 go! Babe, hurry! It's almost done.
What's the time at?
We are at 30 seconds.
Hurry! Go, babe! Go, 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 go!
See that?
Open your mouth when you're done.
Hurry! Open, open, open! Open now!
Done!
Woo!
48!
Yeah!
contest is over.
Zip line, zip line.
Sawyer
I won.
Sawyer did much better. Amy apparently won. Not entirely sure what
I
she
didn't
won.
participate.
But
It was fun.
now it's time to get this Memorial Day weekend started because work is over.
Zip line, please.